Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to get into something super exciting, and that's learning how to become an influencer in 2024 through 2025, being so we're at our last month. If you made it, drop a amen. Like, share, subscribe, and follow. So why be an influencer? Alright guys, I have here this product I got from Amazon. It was on my deals. Alright guys, I am back again with 5 Amazon. It's more than just free products and followers and made. The influencer industry right now is at like $20 billion. And there's so much room for you to get a part of it and grow. Step one is learning your niche. What type of audience are you looking to gather into your community? What type of backgrounds? What are you set out here to influence? Whether it's traveling or you get products from Amazon, or what are you passionate about? Sports, beauty, fitness, gym, what tech, cleaning, what exactly do you want to influence? Think about what you love and if you can consistently create content about it. For me, my niche is hairstyles, vlogging to help become influencers, to rebuild your credit, and to show you how to do faceless reels, ebooks, digital products, and how to grow your Facebook, your Instagram, your Lemonade account, your TikTok account, whatever it is you're looking to do. Show you how to navigate through Canva, because I'm still learning, but it's going to be great whenever I'm finally done, because I'm so excited. But also, I'm an Amazon influencer. So I get to order products, but I've been finding Facebook pages where Amazon sellers are looking to you buy and they repay you once you give them a good review. Having a niche helps you stand out. There's thousands of influencers. We might all have different niches, but they're all uniquely kind of the same. You might have a beauty niche, but you might particularly know how to do quickies. You might be a sport niche, but you only know how to do track and field. So it's knowing who you are and what type of content you can look into. The second part to this is you got to create content that's going to stand out. Think of it like a job that they're doing open interviews and everyone's there. You see that you might be the best dressed, you might have the best portfolio, but there's a group of people who you still have to go against. So think about you walking in, you kill the interview, and they hire you on the spot, and everyone else is upset. These influencers are fighting to become something. We all want to grow, we all want to make it in some type of way. Next, it's time to start creating content. Get on up, pause the video, come back. You need more tips and tricks. Go record your first video. My first video, I was so nervous. I recorded 16 of them. I deleted 10. And I recorded another 10. I deleted 5 again. And all you need to create this content is your smartphone. It's a plus if you have like a tablet or a computer, because editing on your smartphone could be a little tricky sometimes on certain apps. Canva is one of them apps. It's very touchy, so I'm saying that because Canva is going to be up in my next segment, so pay attention. When creating content, AI is literally your best friend. Find you a good AI chat. If you have an iPhone, I know that they have an AI feature that just was added. And talk to AI. I'll drop some prompts on my Lemonade page for you guys, so you know what to ask. I use Chat Pro. That's a good one. Floyd. So those, I mean, not Floyd, it's called Lloyd. Those are two of the ones that I use. And what you're going to ask the first time you go in there is you're going to ask what your niche is. The second thing you're going to ask is them to create you 30 days of content to help you grow your page and get your followers to see, hey, I'm serious about this. Come follow me. Consistency. Consistency is the biggest key in this industry. You could get sick, but what I'm going to say is create backup drafts. Make sure you have scheduled posts. Record everything. Record content of you cleaning. Record content of you washing your hair, doing your hair. Anything that could grab your viewers' attention at any point, get it. Because one day you might be down in bed sick and you might just need to be relevant that day still. Relevance is a big thing. Also, don't get discouraged. In your first couple of weeks as an influencer, especially, I'm an influencer for Amazon, and I thought I was just gonna get mad free products, but that is because I didn't do my research like I am trying to give you. Some quick editing tools are Canva. Canva is extremely good. I recommend getting Pro because you do not want to look at something that says Pro and you want it so bad and you can't create it. So get the Pro one. CapCut, I would do the same. They're both probably $7 to $10 a piece. So I would go get them to help you edit because they're really, really, really good. So bad. Step 3 is building your community. Your audience is your biggest. Don't think of them like money bags, but they are definitely what keep you relevant, what keeps you paid, and what keeps your bank account happy. So if they're commenting, they're reacting to your stuff, don't leave them shy. They want to hear back from you. Think about like you reaching out to your idol and they have the chance to message back and they don't. That's crushing. They don't want to follow you anymore. That's a horrible way to start. Reply to DMs, comments, get an assistant. The assistant tools AI have, they help you out very much. Get those. You want people to engage in your post. Every like and share and comment means something. Also, Google is your best friend too. Make sure you're keeping up on relative hashtags and make sure your footnotes are good and your titles are drawing people in. Also, your descriptions. I would start asking, or I would get Grammarly on my keyboard as well, and they will help you with a lot of your writing and your work. Step 4, collaboration. If you know inspiring artists, creators, influencers, anybody who's in the same field as you, try to set up a time where you guys could do a collab together, because 9 times out of 10 they might have a niche that your niche could bounce off of, or vice versa, because your followers, they're not just there for beauty, they want to see other things too. So eventually they're going to look at what you're presenting. If you're bringing people on to your podcast or your vlog or however you're doing it, and they're talking about their niches, and hey, you just link them to this and now you have a forever fan because you didn't put them in the right direction, but also you got a fellow YouTuber that y'all have a history and a bond that y'all could grow with. Collaborating with brands is big too. There are a lot of apps currently that you could sign up for, and this is for shopping, this is for traveling. Yes, you are paying some of this and they're paying you for your reviews. Not all of this is free. Plus, it's so much fun to record, edit, and then do all this crazy stuff all day. It's so fun. Like, it's satisfying, it's fulfilling. If you're taking it seriously right now, I'm very delusional. Yes. I have 20 subscribers and I got 20,000 in my head. So right now, I'm telling my 20,000 subscribers how to become me. Step 5 is to monetize your accounts. What is monetizing? you would ask. Dakota, how do I monetize my account? Easy. Once you build a following, it's time to monetize your account. Now, you could do this by doing sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, selling your own products, branding in some type of way, post, 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 and post. As an Amazon influencer, I love sharing my promo codes. Every time someone orders from my affiliate link, I earn commission. Commission from whichever link it is. Now, I make groups on Facebook, I share them on my personal page. I've made videos on TikTok and YouTube. Monetizing comes naturally when you're creating natural content for your reviewers. Becoming an influencer takes time, patience, and effort. But trust me, it's so worth it in the end. If you're interested in beginning your journey, drop a comment below and let me know what your niche is. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. Also, follow my Instagram and my TikTok for other tips and tricks like credit hats. They have shorts on there, things like that. And my Facebook group page will be linked as well. Promo codes, they have the begin and end dates. Looking for some savings? You have a master save right there.